How to use chatgpt as your sales convertor. Firstly, you must understand prompting. Prompt means instruction given to an AI to take action. Now, what you give an AI is what will be processed and sent back to you, which means if you send an incomplete prompt, you will receive back an incomplete response, which will not be satisfying to you. Okay, how to create a prompt? Firstly, you imagine what you want to create. Then you describe it in words, exactly the way you want it to be. For example, if you want to create a house, then in the house you want two doors. If you prompt an AI to create a house without describing it as two doors, it might not give you what you want. Now, watch the way I'm going to prompt chatgpt. Hi chatgpt, my coach, my mentor. I am an affiliate marketer. My niche is affiliate marketing courses and how to make money online. So I want you to create a picture stroke graphic design that can generate leads. Now, the reason I describe who I am, so chatgpt will know what to create that will attract my audience and engage them. Now, that is for faceless posts. But if you want to add your picture, my next prompt, I will show you how to add your picture or any picture at all. Even you want to edit a picture, just click on the plus icon and select your image, then you prompt it. So my second prompt is, hi chatgpt, can you create a picture of someone confused with this picture? Then around the head, add a question mark. Change the position of the hand to someone who is asking a question. Let the face look confused. Now, you see how I prompt it very easy. Why prompting seems very easy for me is that I first create a picture with my imagination, then I describe it. That is how prompting works. Now, the next thing you need is copywriting. Copywriting is a marketing skill that is using words to convert sales. Copywriting can be in a form of educating, storytelling, or entertaining form. In this video, I will be using educating format. First thing I will need is a caption. So I prompt chatgpt, give me a caption for this picture you just created related to my niche. The reason why I put related to my niche, so chatgpt will not go off point. I hope you are learning something. So these are the caption chatgpt give me. So you choose the one that fits you well. Me, I go with caption 4. So I will prompt chatgpt again for the copywriting. So here's my prompt. I go with caption 4, but want you to make it juicy. Start by saying every successful people pass through these 5 stages before reaching the top. First stage is the confusion stage, where everything sounds as an opportunity but don't know what to choose at first. You will want to start music. Second, content creation. Third, trading, and so on. Second stage, you take an action. This is the stage you stop dreaming and choose one to focus on. Third stage is the stage you seek for mentorship. Then the fourth stage is a hidden stage. This is where most people quit. You are putting in all your effort and yet it seems nobody is seeing, nobody is applauding. Now the last stage is mastery. At this stage, you are redefined and by now you are not even interested anymore in their upload. At this stage, you uncover your full potential. Please ChatGPT, this is a raw fact I'm giving you. Please process it and turn it to an information that converts. At the end, add a call to action. In less than a second, you already have what to post. So you now go back to the picture, click on the picture, then you will see a download icon. Click on it, your picture saves immediately. So let me prompt ChatGPT again. I want you to learn something. So after this video, you won't be complaining on what to post again. ChatGPT, please, I need a copywriting that educates and converts people to buy my affiliate marketing course. Then in the process, you add, there will be a class that will educate people on how to start affiliate marketing. Add this as the call to action. In less than a second, you have your complete copywriting. Then you copy it. Now let me dive into Facebook, so I'll be showing you how to post. As for me, I do follow my weekly tasks, but you can post anyhow or way you feel is perfect for you. Before clicking on post, always make sure you read through your copied message from ChatGPT in case of any correction or maybe you want to add something to it. Add your picture and click on next. I also share my posts to different groups. So for you to do that too, join groups, especially groups related to your niche. Groups like follow for follow. There you can grow your page too. Make sure your post audience is in public. Then you click on post. Imagine if you can do this daily for 3 months. Imagine the size of your audience then. Discipline and consistency beats motivation and excuses.